Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my quick beauty favorites because I only have a couple things that I wanted to talk to you guys about. So if you guys are interested in finding out more, then please keep watching. Alright guys, I have a ton of stuff that I have been loving, but I figured I would keep it to 5 things to make this video quick and short and to the point. And they're just like have been a staples in my makeup collection, or in my makeup routine I should say. And as much as I really want to talk about everything I've been loving, I figured that I would hold off on talking about everything. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about here, we'll talk about this mascara. This is the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. I got this in my Sephora play, so we are in October, so my September Sephora play. And when I first tried it, my mom asked me, she's like, yeah, let me know, I've been wanting to get it. I tried it and I'm like, oh, it's okay, like it's nothing super special. I love my CoverGirl Exhibitionist. Is it Exhibitionist? I love my CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. It's only $10 and it's incredible. I still really enjoy this, but after a couple of times of using this, I haven't picked up my CoverGirl mascara, which is not a good thing because this is a pricey little number for the full size, but it is so good. Do you need it? I mean, if you're looking for a really bougie mascara, yes. If you're wanting to try it out, I say try and get the travel size. I just freaking love this mascara. It is so good. And I'm thinking about waiting for the Sephora VIB sale so I can pick it up because oh my gosh, it is real good. And it doesn't smudge on me. So it doesn't, the CoverGirl is the first type of drugstore mascara or any mascara that has never transferred on my lower lash line or on my under eyes, and then the Hourglass is the first high-end one that hasn't done that. Usually brand new mascaras don't do that, but as time goes on, as I continue to use them, they end up transferring on me. And I've been using this since I got my Sephora play, so it's been close to a month. No, it's gotta be like a couple weeks, maybe 2.5 weeks or so, but I haven't picked this up and this has been my go-to, so highly recommended. Something else that I have not been able to put down, it is so good. I don't think I mentioned this, but I've talked about how much I love it. It's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Mini Instant Retouch Setting Powder in Butter. Oh my gosh, I honestly wish I would have gotten the full size during the VIB sale. This stuff is incredible. It just helps if I have super oily skin that day, if I'm running around like crazy, doing a whole bunch of makeup applications, I'm sweating my butt off. This kind of helps control my oil. And it doesn't look drying on the skin. I honestly truly feel like it is better than the Anastasia loose setting powder. This one's okay. I kind of want to get the one in vanilla, but then again I don't. I'll probably just keep this in my makeup kits for my clients. This one though, because the vanilla one works really well, that I've used it on quite a few clients, so it's good, but this is 1,000 times better. And I am so getting the large or full size of this because it's really good. And I usually don't use powders that quickly, and I've used quite a bit. I mean, there's still a good amount in there, but I use this every single time I do my makeup. I cannot go without this. And it works with all of my foundations that I've worn recently, so that's a plus. If you're looking for a really good powder, highly recommend this. I know it's a little bit pricier. I think it's like $30, so I would obviously wait for the VIB sale, or if you know somebody who can order you one during their Rouge, so you can get the 20% discount. Highly recommend to hold off. If you don't want to, I say you're not going to regret this powder. Next is this is kind of like all these three together I want to kind of talk about because this combo has been my go-to. So it's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer. I'm so glad I ended up purchasing the full size. I ended up returning the travel size and ended up getting the full size, and I'm so glad I did because it's the only primer I use. I'm okay getting rid of all my other primers and just using this because this is really good. with that in combination, I love to use these two together. The Herborian CC cream is amazing. I applied it, you guys probably already saw the video on how it looks of me testing out the Pretty Fresh collection from ColourPop. I use this underneath all of my makeup that I know that I'm going to be out. Even when it's cloudy out, I still use this. The SPF is 25. So obviously I would recommend something else, a moisturizer that has SPF, but I do use this anytime underneath my makeup, and it's really nice. It doesn't make me oily or greasy. I'm even okay using this by itself. I even prefer this. I feel like I've already talked about this, and if I did, I'm so sorry. But I do prefer this over the Shiseido. The Shiseido is a lot darker, so this is great when I'm self-tan. But this has been my go-to, and I'm really, really glad that I purchased this. I did recommend this during the 21 Days of Beauty products, like must try. So this, with a combination of this is the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. Both of these together, actually all these three together in combination, gives the most gorgeous looking skin ever. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It's just that it makes your skin look really, really pretty, really natural. Yeah, you're still wearing makeup, but it doesn't look heavy on your skin. It doesn't look cakey. It doesn't enhance anything. It doesn't enhance any texture, because I do have texture. I do have some dry spots or dry patches on my skin, but it doesn't look bad on my skin. For anybody who might be just stumbling across my channel, I do have combo skin, so I'm pretty oily in my T-zone, dry on the perimeter of my face. If I'm running around like crazy, I get really, really oily. But it's such a great combo, and then I'll wear it for at least 10 plus hours, and it looks so good on my skin. I love it. So I just really had to share those things with you. So let me know what you have been loving this month on like anything, so that if I don't have it, I can check it out. Not that I need any more makeup, I really don't. Anyway, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, I will see you guys all in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.